Hi, this is Fisher from Circuit Board Medics. I'm here to talk about the 2006 to 2015 Mazda 3 and Mazda 5 TCM, or Transmission Control Module. If you're dealing with transmission issues, you know how frustrating it can be when things don't go the way that you expect. So in this video, we'll show you some specific symptoms you should be looking for and the best way to get your vehicle back up and running smoothly. These Mazda TCMs were used in a wide range of years for the Mazda 3 and Mazda 5. They are known for failing over time, causing a variety of issues such as harsh shifting, lost communication codes, and the vehicle being stuck in limp mode. These symptoms all point to a faulty TCM. This failure could render your vehicle completely immobile or cause further damage to your transmission. Unfortunately, getting the module replaced and programmed can be an expensive repair, and the OEM TCMs are often unavailable, leaving you to choose between a used module which will eventually fail in the same way or an aftermarket module that could be incompatible with your vehicle. We've developed a repair for these TCMs to address the root cause of the failure that will save you hundreds of dollars and get you back up and running quickly. We fully rebuild the module to not only fix your current problems, but also prevent any future issues. All you need to do is ship the module to us, we'll repair it in 1 business day and ship it back to you, complete with a no-hassle 1-year warranty. If you're in need of a faster solution, we also offer an exchange service where we'll ship you a rebuilt module that we have in stock and you simply ship back your original after it was received. If you're ready to restore your vehicle, you can visit our website at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049 and we'll be happy to help.